Spaghetti with sage and walnut pesto is a delicious dish and an excellent variation of the classic Genoese pesto. Here's how you can prepare them. Ingredients: 320 grams of spaghetti, a nice bunch of fresh sage, about 30 leaves, 80 grams of shelled walnuts, 1 clove of garlic, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 50 grams of grated Pecorino Romano cheese, or you can use only Parmesan for a milder taste. Extra virgin olive oil to taste. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste, optional. Preparation. Start with the preparation of the sage and walnut pesto. Put the walnuts and garlic in the mixer and chop until you get a coarse mixture. Add the sage leaves, a pinch of salt, and blend again. While the mixer is running, gradually add olive oil until the pesto reaches a creamy consistency. It does not need to be too liquid, just enough to dress the pasta. Transfer the pesto to a bowl and add the grated Parmesan and Pecorino cheeses. Mix to blend the cheeses well with the pesto. Season with salt and, if you like, black pepper. Cook the spaghetti in plenty of salted water following the times indicated on the package to have them al dente. Drain the pasta while reserving some of the cooking water. Place the spaghetti in a large bowl and add the sage and walnut pesto, mixing well. If necessary, add a little of the reserved cooking water to make the dressing creamier. Serve immediately, garnishing with some fresh sage leaves and, if desired, a sprinkling of grated cheese. Curiosity: sage and walnut pesto is an aromatic sauce that pairs perfectly with pasta, but is also ideal for dressing crostini or as a dipping sauce for grissini. The intense flavor of sage and the crunchy texture of the walnuts create an interesting combination that veers away from the warm Genoese version, offering new sensations to the palate. Sage is also an aromatic herb widely used in Italian cuisine, often to accompany meat or fish dishes.